The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 continues Samsung's legacy of innovation in foldable technology with improvements in design, performance, and software, making it one of the most versatile foldable smartphones on the market. Here's an in-depth review of the device. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 brings a more refined and durable hinge mechanism, reducing the crease in the middle of the display while making the fold smoother and less noticeable during use. Samsung has made the Z Fold 6 lighter and slimmer compared to its predecessors, improving one-handed usability and making it more pocket-friendly, while still maintaining its large screen real estate. The Z Fold 6 features a 7.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X foldable display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, providing smooth scrolling in vivid colors. The display is great for watching movies, playing games, and multitasking with its larger screen. The outer 6.3-inch AMOLED cover screen also supports a 120Hz refresh rate, making it excellent for quick tasks without needing to open the device. It's much more usable for texting, browsing, and taking quick photos. The Z Fold 6 is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, delivering flagship performance for multitasking, gaming, and productivity. The device handles heavy tasks, split-screen usage, and gaming with ease. The phone comes with 12 GB of RAM and storage options starting from 256 GB up to 1 TB. This ensures smooth performance, even when running multiple apps simultaneously, and plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos. 50MP main camera. The primary camera captures detailed and vibrant photos in various lighting conditions, thanks to advanced image processing. 12MP ultra-wide camera perfect for landscape shots and group photos, offering a wider field of view. 12MP telephoto camera. It comes with 3x optical zoom and improved digital zoom capabilities, great for capturing distant objects with clarity. The cover display has a 12MP punch-hole selfie camera for quick photos and video calls. The main display uses an under-display camera that has improved integration into the screen and offers decent quality for video calls. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 packs a 4,800 mAh dual battery, which lasts throughout the day with moderate use. The power efficiency of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 ensures that even with the larger foldable display, the device handles power well. The device supports 45W fast charging, providing a 50% charge in about 30 minutes. It also supports 15W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, making it versatile for on-the-go charging. Pros: large, immersive 7.8-inch foldable display with 120Hz refresh rate. Durable build with improved hinge and water resistance. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 delivers top-tier performance. Excellent multitasking and productivity features with S Pen support. Great camera system with 50MP main sensor. Improved under-display camera integration. Solid battery life with fast and wireless charging. Cons: still expensive compared to traditional smartphones. The under-display camera, while improved, is not as sharp as conventional cameras. Slight crease still visible on the foldable display. Large size may still be cumbersome for some users. Conclusion: the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a premium foldable device that brings cutting-edge technology with practical improvements in durability, performance, and usability. It's perfect for users who need a phone that can double as a small tablet, providing unmatched multitasking and entertainment experiences. However, its high price and large size may still be a concern for casual users.